Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 25th video in Python 3 programming language. In the previous video we have learned how you can read a file in Python programming language. In this video I'm going to show you how you can write a file. So now let me just create a new def main method in here, and I'm using my previous file, so I have this file. And let me just create a open. So now also like previous video, in here you can give your file name. So this is my file.txt. Also you need to give the mode. So we can use W write mode, and also we can use A append mode. So I'm going to show you. So this is the W mode. In W mode now I want to write, so file dot write, and I want to write this is W mode write. Okay, and now let me just create this if underscore name, and I'm going to call my main in here. So now if I run this, okay, now in here nothing happened, but if I check my file, you can see that it removed overwrite. So overwrite the content of my file. Let me just add some, copy this. But if you don't want to overwrite, if you want to append, you can do that. So now let me show you that for in that scenario you need to change the mode. So now this is W, you need to change the mode to A. And now let me just write this. So this is append mode, and now if I run this and if I check this, you can see that now this is appended to my this text. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my